Yes, in this class, I will take another problem of drawing the network given only the events and the predecessors. So the problem is like this: a project plan consists of 10 events. 10 events. The predecessors are given as below. Now there are 10 events here. So event number is first column. Immediate predecessor is the second column. So the difference between this problem and the earlier one was, earlier problem I have given directly the events and the activities. Here only events are given. Instead of activities, immediate predecessor events are given. So if you are given these two things, how to write the network diagram? See, there are 10 events here, 1 to 10. Numbering from 1 to 10, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there are 10 events. So immediate predecessors are given like this. For 1, there is no predecessor because it is the initial event, which is the tail event. For 2, immediate predecessor is 1. For 3 it is 2, for 4 it is 2, for 5 it is 2, for 6 it is 3, 5, for 7 it is 3, 4, for 8 it is 3, 7, for 9 it is 7, for 10 it is 3, 6, 8, 9. 3, 6, 8, 9. So these are the events and predecessors. The question here is, draw the network diagram of the plan. Draw the network diagram. Simple. This is the preliminary requirement for understanding the CPM PERT. Now here, events are defined and immediate predecessors are defined. For example, here what happens, 1 is the tail event because there is no event before 1. Predecessor means before. So this becomes the tail event. And for 2, please note that for 2, predecessor is 1. That means 2 will be here. These two are connected like this. So 1 should be before 2. That is the meaning. Predecessor means 1 is a predecessor for 2. That means unless event 1 is completed, event 2 cannot occur. Okay? So this is how we have to write. So predecessor means it should come before that event. So 1, 2. Next for 3, 2 is the predecessor. See. Okay? That means this 2 should come before 3. Unless 2 is completed, 3 cannot be carried out. That is the meaning. Next for 4, predecessor is 2. Please note, predecessor is 2. That means 4 will be somewhere here. Got it? It is connected to 2 only 2. So before starting 4, even 2 should be completed. That is the meaning. Next, for 5 also it is 2. For 5 also it is 2. See? Got it? Before starting 5, even 2 should be completed. Then for 6, it is 3, 5. See, 6 is here. Before starting 6, 3 should be completed. 5 also should be completed. That is 6. Then for 7, 3 and 4. 3 and 4. So I have written 3 here. I have written 4 here. Is it not? So this 3 and 4, what I will do here is, I will take this 4 this side. writing with pencil, then you can rub it and write in the exam also, because we are not knowing which is connected to which. So here for 7, 3, 4 should be completed. Correct? 3, 4. So these two should join 7. Then for 8, 3, 7. 8 will come here. 3 and 7. Okay? Then for 9 only 7. For 9 only 7. That means it has to go somewhere here. This is 9. So 7 is a predecessor to 9. Then for 10, 3, 6, 8, 9. 3, 6, 8, 9. So this 3, then 6, then 8, then 9. There are 4 predecessors, immediate predecessor to 10. I hope you understood. So now this 10 becomes the head event, because that is the last event. So 1 is the tail event, 10 is the head event, remaining all they serve as real role events. So this is how we can draw a network given only the events and the immediate predecessor means what? So 1 is immediate to 2. 4 is immediate to 2. Okay? 3 is immediate to 2. Like that. Immediate means, for example, immediate arrow should come to them. That is the meaning. Here we can also say that this 2 is a predecessor to 10 also. Correct? Because 2 is happening before 10. So, but it is not immediate. It is not immediate predecessor. So, immediate predecessor to 10 is 3. It is 3. So, similarly, immediate predecessor to 10 is 6. 5 is also predecessor to 10, but it is not immediate. Immediate is the arrow should start from that point, but that number to that number. Then it is called as immediate. So here he has given immediate. All these are predecessors, and all these are successors. For example, successor means after. For example, here 2 is a successor to 1. 4 is a successor to 2. 3 is a successor to 2. There also you can have immediate name. Immediate means here 4 is an immediate successor to 2. 3 is an immediate successor to 2. 5 is an immediate successor to 2. But you can say that this 7, 3, 5, 8, 6, they are all successor to 1. But they are not immediate. Immediate successor to 1 is only 2. Immediate successor to 2 is only 4. 4 and 3, of course. 4, 3, 5. These 3 are the immediate successor to 2. Okay? So, like that, we can write successors also. So, predecessor means first it should come. Successor means after that event. In that, once again, immediate or just we can write it as successor or predecessor. So, like that. So, if you know now how to write the network diagram, one by given the events and activities. That is the first problem. Second one is by giving only the events and the predecessor events. So, you can write the network diagram. Okay. So, this is one thing. Now, they may give in terms of wordings also. So, they may give in terms of wordings also. See, another problem I will take here. The project has 14 activities. 14 activities. So, what he says is A is the first operation. First operation is A. That means first event is A. B and C can be performed. B and C can be performed performed in parallel. That means together, simultaneously, and are immediate successor to it. And are immediate successor to E. Next, third one. D, E and F follow B. D, E and F follow B. Next, fourth one. G follows E. G follows E. So here A, B, C, D, they are the etc. They are the activities. Then H follows D. H follows D. But it cannot start until E is completed. But it cannot start until E is completed. In terms of wordings also they can be like this. I and J succeed G. I and J succeeded G. F and J precede K. Precede K. H and I precede L. H and I precede L. M succeeds L and K. M succeeds L and K. The last operation N succeeds M and C. Last operation N succeeds M and C. So draw the network diagram. This is the question. In wordings, he has given the data. We have to draw the network diagram for this. So there are totally 14 events in this problem. 14 events. These events are starting from A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M. These are the events. Instead of being 1, 2, 3, 4, he has given the events as A, B, C, D up to N. So this is how he has given. Now, one thing is given numbering like this. Another thing is like this. They can answer, they can ask to draw the network diagram. Now we have to take one by one. First is A is the first operation. So A becomes the first operation. So A is the first. So this becomes your tail. Initial event is A. Then what he says? B and C can be performed in parallel and are immediate successor to A. Immediate successor to A means this B and C will be connected immediately to A. Like this is predecessor, this is successor. Only after A is completed, then only you can go to B and C. But they can do it parallel. That is the meaning. So these are the activities, So activities, not events. Activities. Activities means this becomes. This is like this. So they are not events, they are activities. Please note that. Since they are activities, I can write like this. So tail event I will give 1. A is this activity. Initial activity is A. They are not events, they are activities. And the arrows are A, B, C, D. So I will take like this. This is your A. Okay. So second event will come here. So A is B and C. They are the successor activities to A means it will go like this. So 3, 4. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಯಾ? ಇದು ಬಿ, ಇದು ಈ ಥರ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಕೊಡ್ತಾನೆ? ಡಿ ಇ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎಫ್ ಫಾಲೋ ಬಿ ಅಂತ. ಅಂದರೆ ಬಿ ಇಂದ ಫಾಲೋ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ 3 ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಡಿ ಇ ಎಫ್. ಇದು ಡಿ ಇ ಎಫ್. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಗಿವ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ 5, 6, 7. ಆರೋ ಹಾಕಿ ಡಿ ಇ ಎಫ್ ಓವರ್ ಇದಾಯ್ತು. They will follow B. That means follow on the successor and role. Immediate successor. Next, G follows E. G follows E. E ideyala, E inda G ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ. You can do this as thing. ಅರ್ಥಾಯ್ತಾ? Event number 8. Next, H follows D, but it cannot start until E is completed. ಇದೇ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. H follows D. So this D is the H ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ. ಓಕೆ. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಬಟ್ ದಿಸ್ H ಕೆನಾಟ್ ಬಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಅಂಟಿಲ್ E is completed. E ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ H ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. E ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ H ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎ, ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೇಕು. You have to show a dotted line here. This is a dummy activity ಅಂತ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದನ್ನ broken line. So conditions ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Unless some conditions will be there. Unless your E activity E is completed, you cannot start the H. So this is a dummy activity. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಇದು? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಐ ಅಂಡ್ ಜೆ ಸಕ್ಸೀಡ್ ಜಿ ಅಂತ. ಐ ಅಂಡ್ ಜೆ ಸಕ್ಸೀಡ್ ಜಿ. ಜಿ ಇಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್, ಐ ಅಂಡ್ ಜೆ ಎರಡು ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಜಿ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಐ ಅಂಡ್ ಜೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ 10, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? ಐ ಅಂಡ್ ಜೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಎಫ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಜೆ ಪ್ರಿಸೀಡ್ ಕೆ. ಪ್ರಿಸೀಡ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. F1J precede K. Precede K means it should come before F1J is ready. F1J should come precede K alva. F1J precede K. That means after F1J, your K should come. After F1J, K should come. Fj. Oh, see, equals to. You have to take yes. This is your K. F1J. From both these, you have to take arrow. J in the number. This is 8. K should come after F1J. F1J is here. So this J, he hit. Yes. J. No, preceded. Not preceded. We will take like this. F is here. We will take J here like this. This is your J. This is 7 of this F1J precede K and K. Like this, correct. K is over. Next, H and I precede L. H and I precede L. Where is H? Yeah, H and I, these should precede L. So L should be H and I precede L. It will be like this. This H and I should be connected. It will connect. That's why better you have so your I will be here, H also will be here, each other. So this is event number, how much? 9, 9. So H and I precede L, so this becomes L. H and I should come before L. Then M succeeds L and K. M succeeds L and K. L and K. K is here, L is here. So I have to connect these two now. K is here, L is here. I will write here. This is L. And this is 10. Now L and K, so this K will come here. L and K should be before M, or M succeeds L and K. So L and K, M succeeds to this is M. Then lastly you have last operation N succeeds M and C. M and C, C is here. So I have to connect this C to this M. I have to connect this C to this. Okay. M and C. What is this one? K. Yeah. So here M and C should be pre-listed by L. That means this one is M and K. C. M is here. C should be connected to this. Yes. Now this is N is the last one. Last one means M and C. M and C should be connected to L. C directly we should come here. I think N should come at the end. This should be a C. This is M. Okay, right. One is here, then 2 is here, this is A, then B will come here, this is B, then D will come here, this is 5, then 7 will come here, H, and from 3, 4 will go, 4 to this is E, 4 to 5 is a dummy activity, Then I will take 4 to 6. This is G. 6 to 7 I. 6 to 8 is J. 3 to 8 is F. 7 to 9 is L. 8 to 9 is K. 9 to 10 is M. Then 2 to 10 is C. Then lastly 10 to 11 is N. Actually this is the pattern. Of course we have tried here. So finally there may be some mistake here. So that's why we could not get there. So no problem. So at the end we can justify. So these things you have to draw carefully by observing the predecessor and successors. So this is the network diagram for the given problem, for the given project plan. You can see here in this there are 11 events. There are 11 events and there are 14 activities. So events I have denoted as 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 11. Activities are A, B, C, D up to N. So this is how we can draw the network diagram either by knowing the events and activities or by knowing the predecessors and successors of different events. So after practicing you will get it. So only thing is you have to practice some problems. So then only you can write the diagram. But this is the basic for your CPM or PERT. Actual problem is among these whichever is the critical path. So these are all the paths. So one is the tail event, that is starting event. 11 is the head event, that is the final event. To start from 1 and to end with 11, there are so many paths here. For example, here 1 to 10 11. 1 to 10 11 is one path, correct? That means A, C and N, they are the activities. In another path is 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 9, 10, 11. This is another path. So there are different paths here. So these different paths are, once you have a network diagram, you can have different paths. So one path is 1 to 10, 11. 1 to 10, 11 is one path. Second path is 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 9, 10, 11. This is second path. Third path is 1, 2, 3, 4, then 6, then 8, then 9, then 10, then 11. Correct? See the arrows. I start writing. Fourth path is 1, 2, 3, 8, 9, 10. So you can have 4 different paths here. So once you fix the paths, different paths, so you can see here one path is going from 2, 3 paths are going from 3. Correct? So totally there are 4 paths here to complete the project. Among these, whichever is critical path, that we have to decide. So that we can do by critical path method. For that, you should know how much time is required to complete an activity. So those things are important. Based on the time, we can always find out the critical path for a given network of a project. That I will take up in the